Good morning, children. Today, after our terminal exam, we'll start with our portion continuously. Now, we are going to solve 11th question of chapter 3. Problem set 3. 11th question. If first term of an AP is A, first term is given as A, second term is B, and the last term is C, then show that sum of all terms is A plus sum of all terms is A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A. So here the terms are given, terms of the AP. Terms of AP. Terms of an AP is A, B and so on, last term given as C. So here first term is equal to as A. Then this is given. So difference we can find out as second term minus A, that is B minus A. This is the common difference. So we got the first term, we got the common difference. Now last term, nth term is given as equal to as C. So taking the nth term formula, nth term is equal to as A plus n minus 1 into D. Now nth term is equal to, value is given as C. C. This is equal to as A plus, A is A only, first term. Then n is here, we don't know, n minus 1 into D. But D is here, B minus A in this form. We have got it in this form. Nth term value is equal to as in this form. Now here we can do this. Take this A this side, so it will call C minus A is equal to n minus 1 into B minus A, we get. Now n minus 1 value I have to find out. So this B minus A, I will bring it here down, this side. So n minus 1, this is equal to as C minus A upon B minus A. In this form we get. Now here the bracket is not needed. Now n minus 1 is equal to as C minus A upon B minus A. I have brought this side down. Now n value, we have to find out here n value. N is equal to as this C minus A upon B minus A. This one you take that side, it becomes plus 1. Now do cross multiplication here. B minus A is the LCM. So here LCM is equal to the denominator. So numerator will be the same. C minus A plus here this 1 into this will give you the same, that is B minus A. Now when we solve this, that is n equal to. So here n will be equal to as. N is equal to as what? See, A is 2 times minus A. So here C plus B plus, minus 2A. Minus 2A upon B minus A. We got it in this form. Now, so as we got in this form, n value we have got it. Therefore, now here we have got n value. N is equal to, therefore n is equal to as C plus B minus 2A upon B minus A. We got n value in this form. N value. Now we have to find out, that is, we have to show that, sum of all the terms is this. So sum of n terms. Take the sum of n terms formula is equal to as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this form. So here sum of n terms, this is equal to as, sum of n terms is equal to n. N value we have got in this form. Take it as 0.1. So n is here c plus b minus 2a upon b minus a in this form. This whole thing upon 2. See, n value by 2. N value by 2 into 2a plus n is here n minus 1 into again d value we know it is d is equal to as b minus a. So into b minus a, write it in this form. This we got it from 1. From 1.1. Now when we solve this one, see, this is equal to as. Now this is in the form of what? Rational number. So it will get what? C plus b minus 2a upon b minus a multiplied by, this is what? Actually it is divided by 2. Divided by 2. So when we take the ratio, multiply it, it will become 1 by 2. So it gets, this is 2 into b minus a. So therefore we will get the solution as c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into b minus a. In this form we get. This into 2a plus. Now we multiply this binomial into binomial, we will get it as nb. Now it is 2a plus n value. N is here. We know it is n is equal to as, this is, I can write this as b plus c also. It would be more convenient. B plus c minus 2a. These terms I have exchanged. Okay. So n value I will take in this form. That is b plus c. Here also I can write it as b plus c. This also as b plus c. Okay. Now, this is here n minus 1, n value. N value I will put it, that is b plus c minus 2a upon b minus a. This whole thing minus 1, n minus 1. Yes, n minus 1 into this b minus a as it is. Close. I have substituted the value of n. This also we got it from 1. Okay. Now, after this, this is as it is, b plus c minus 2a upon 2 into b minus a. This is n by 2. Okay. N by 2 into 2a plus, here this we have to do cross multiplication. So here this we get it as b minus a as it is. Then this will be here as b plus c minus 2a, and this 1 minus into this will be the same. So minus 1 into b minus a. If you multiply, what do you get? Minus b plus minus to minus is plus a. So I will get it as minus b plus a. This whole thing, this multiply by b minus a as it is. Now this b minus a and this b minus a, I can cancel it. So I am left with only this whole thing. So I'll open the bracket. I will continue solving here. So here this is equal to as b plus c minus 2a upon 2 into b minus a. This is into 2a, then open this bracket, plus you get here denominator, here nothing is left, We can simply open it. Plus B plus C minus 2A, then plus minus B and plus A. This is left. Now see here. Plus 2A minus 2A cancels. Plus B minus B cancels. So we are left with here B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A. This into here, what is left here? C plus A. So, this is what we have to show. Then show that sum of all terms is A plus C into. See, A plus C we have got, or we can change it, write it in the needed form of the question. Then into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A as it is. So this we can rewrite it as, according to the question, A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon whole thing 2 into B minus A. This is proved. This is what we have to prove. Therefore, sum of n terms is equal to as A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A. Hence proved. We can write. Hence proved. Okay. Now let us solve this 14th question. This 12th and 13th question I will solve later on. Now see here, 14th question, it is an activity question. So 1000 rupees 1000 is invested at a 10% simple interest. Check at the end of every year if the total interest amount is in AP. Total, only the interest amount is in AP, that we have to check. Then if this is an AP, if the interest of of every year is in AP, then find a interest amount after 20 years. Means 20th year, 20 years, what will be the interest that we have to find out. For this, complete the following activity. Now, simple interest formula we know, it is equal to P into R into N by 100. That is principal into rate into time by 100. So, simple interest after 1 year is equal to, according to the formula, P is here principal 1000, R is 10% and N is 1 year by 100. So, it will be, if we calculate, we get 100. And in the same way, simple interest after 2 years, if we calculate, this is, N is here 2 year, so 2. So, if we calculate, we will get 200. Then simple interest after 3 years, it is already given as 300. Now, according to this, simple interest for 4 years, 5 years and 6 years, it will be as 400, 500, 600 and so on respectively. For this, now what is the difference? See, so therefore we see the terms of the AP is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and so on. So the A is equal to as 100 here, and the common difference, that is 200 minus 100 will give you 100 only. So amount of simple interest after 2 years, that is sum of n terms we have to take, is equal to formula as A plus A into N, A plus N minus 1 into D. So 20, the 20th term is equal to as, put the values here, A is 100 plus 20 minus 1 into D is also 100. So if we calculate it, that is 20th term is equal to as 100, 20 minus 1 is 19 into 100. So this is equal to 1900 and this plus 100 will give you as 2000. So amount of simple interest after 20 years, that is 20th term is equal to as is 200 rupees. In this form we get. So this is the solution of this activity.